Good evening, friends. Today I'm reviewing Glenfiddich single malt Scotch whiskey. I'll show you first. This is Glenfiddich single malt. It's select cask. So today I'll review this whiskey, single malt whiskey basically. So the bottle looks like this. This is the bottle, and as all of you must have know that Glenfiddich has won the best single malt whiskey award number of times. That's why they already mention in their every pack like most awarded single malt whiskey in all the single malt category. This Glenfiddich has won the maximum of awards. So today let's start with the smell. If we go with the smell, I can feel some cherry, black pepper, some oak. Now let's go for the flavors. Strawberry, black pepper is there, uh, honey. I can feel honey, and it's very smooth. Among normal single malt whiskies, it's so smooth. So for me, why it has won the most award in single malt category? Because whenever you drink this whiskey, you will feel that the smoothness is there. You can feel lot of other variant, like I felt orange and strawberry, black pepper, honey, and some things which I would like to share with you. Because see, nowadays Scotch whiskies or single malt whiskies, different people drink in 3-4 different ways. Like some prefer neat, like what I'm having, the only whiskey. Some prefer on the rocks, like many ice cubes. Some prefer with only one piece of ice cube. But for me, if you ask, then I will definitely suggest whenever you drink single malt, go for neat. Don't put anything extra, neither water nor any kind of ice cube. Because if you put anything from outside, like water or chilled ice, what it will do, its variant will not open up. You will not going to feel the smell, the flavors of like black pepper and cherry, strawberry, honey. You will not feel that, because whenever any cold thing or any other water kind of a thing goes inside, the flavors go stuck. They don't come out the way when it is in neat condition. So whenever you drink single malt, or I'll suggest any kind of Scotch whiskey, always go for neat. So that's it for now. And for the price, this select cask in India, it will cost you around 9,000 rupees. I have brought it from outside and it cost me around 4,700, around 4,750. So whenever you go outside, you will find this thing in duty free shop. You can collect from there. It's in India also. You can, once you arrive at India airport, you will find it in duty free shops, but it is not available in normal FL of shops. In normal wine shop, this variant is not available. It's select cask. It's only available. It's only for travelers basically. This whiskey company has made for only travelers, and that's why they have mentioned travel exclusive. See, travel exclusive. So whenever you are traveling, you will find in every airport, they have duty free shop. You will find this variant in duty free shop. It's called select cask. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching, and if you definitely like this video, do subscribe and like also. Thank you so much. Bye for now.